So today's first question is asked by two people. One is Besharam Nari and another one is Ashish Nakhate. Well, Besharam Nari, quite a controversial name. But anyways, the question is, how do I start working as a freelancer? So folks, this question is asked to me by many people, that how should I get into freelancing and how should I start freelancing? So let me answer you in a step-by-step fashion. The first step of getting into freelancing is identify your niche or identify what is your specialty. So first of all, identify your specialty. What do you like? What are you good into it? So probably the best way to know about that is ask to people around you, ask to your peer group, ask to your friend that what are you good in. Like if I talk about development or software development side, because I'm talking about freelancing here in software development. So maybe if you are a fresher, you don't know anything, then in that scenario, see what are you see your mark sheet. In your mark sheet, in which subject you are good at. Let's say you are good in data structures and algorithm or you are good in databases, or you are good in programming. So choose your niche first. So identify what is your specialty. The second step would be to create a platform or identify or find a platform to showcase that specialty. Let's say you are good in designing, then there are many platforms like Dribbble or Fiverr where you can showcase your designing capabilities. If you are good in web designing, you can create some good websites on Dribbble, or if you are good in HTML and CSS designing, maybe you can create some mock website and create a portfolio site of your own. So find a platform to showcase that specialty of yours. The third step would be to help people in that particular specialty. So if someone is looking for a web designer, if any open source person is looking for web designer, there are many open source contributors or many open source web applications where they ask for designs, or they ask that if you can create a design for us, then join those open source project and give your expertise for free, or help them for free, at least for a couple of projects, so that you should be known in community as a helper, as a giver. Because when you are solving problems of people, then only people will come to you for solutions, and probably they will pay money for you. People don't pay money for expertise, they pay money for solving their problems. So in order to make your brand name, do some help work or do some free work. Don't do work in less money, but do it for free as a community work, and showcase it on your platforms. Like if you have designed something, showcase it on Dribbble, that okay, I have designed this thing and my design is being used in this particular project. Or if you are a developer and you have contributed to any application, you can showcase it on your LinkedIn and GitHub profile, that I am contributing to this particular open source project, so that you get your brand name. You have a brand name that as a freelancer, that I have contributed to these particular things or these particular projects. So the third step would be to support other people to create your brand name. And now the fourth and final step would be to create your freelancer profile. So maybe you can create your own website as a freelancer, or you can go on websites like Upwork, Guru, or any other freelancer website like Fiverr also is there. So you can create a profile on these websites as a freelancer, and there you can give your you can write about your specialization, you can give the links of your open source contributions, and you can give the links of whatever things you have done for the community, and showcase that this is my specialization and these are my rates per hour, and I am available for work. And I can assure you that people once know about this thing, they will come to you and ask you for the work. So these were my 4 to 5 steps guide to get into freelancing. I hope you like my answers, and if you like my answers, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends, family and colleagues. So until my next video, take care. Bye bye.